Hello everyone, Mark here. I hope you're all keeping well. So today is going to be my final attempt on the Driftomaniacs RC F1 pit stop challenge. So I've been doing a few of these on and off camera, and I'm going to try something slightly different today. I'm going to use two tools. I'm not going to use the car stand, and I'll put some different wheels on. So first thing I'm going to do is quickly show you that my nuts are fully tightened. As you can see, no slippage. Now I'm going to power on the vehicle. Full throttle in forwards, full throttle in reverse. As you can see, no wheel wobble whatsoever. Turn the vehicle off. Okay, so I'm actually going to remove the stand, and I'm going to put the vehicle on its side. There's nothing wrong with doing this as far as I'm aware. We're just not allowed to use power tools or get other people to help you. So I'm going to start the clock. I'll make sure it's all in view, which it is. Okay, so I'm going to get ready, start the clock, and then we will go for it. 3, 2, 1, go. Make sure your nuts are fully tight, guys. Don't be only locking them a little bit. Come on. Done. 28 seconds. Woohoo! That was quick. Wow, that is definitely the quickest that I've ever done it. Oh, I'm happy with that. I can't see me getting any quicker. I didn't fumble. So yeah, I'm happy with that time. Okay, so what we do, we'll put it back on the stand. Just like so. Get the wheel nut tool just to prove that my nuts are nice and tight. Just like so. Turn the vehicle on. Show that there's no wheel wobble. Full throttle forwards, full throttle in reverse and turning. Perfect. So turn that fan off, that's really loud. So that's my final attempt. 28 seconds and 9 milliseconds. I'm not gonna get any quicker than that because I didn't fumble. So that's it for me, guys. Thanks again, Richie, for doing these competitions. They're so much fun, really are. I've been stuck indoors after recovering from an operation, so I've not been able to go out. So being able to do things like this is just, it means a lot. It really does. So thank you so much for sorting these competitions out. And everyone, thank you for watching, and happy RCing. Take care. Bye bye.